Welcome to Fun 80s Dance Aerobic Step Class for Beginners. My name is Maria. I'll be your instructor for this course. I'm a kinesiologist and certified group fitness instructor and personal trainer. This course aims to improve your aerobic fitness, which is great for your heart health. It also will improve your coordination and balance, your mood, and your weight management. Each day in this class, we will start off with a warm-up, followed by our cardio workout, and ending off with a cardio cool-down and some static stretches, all using the step. I designed this class for anyone who wants to improve their aerobic fitness without any overly complicated choreography. If this class sounds right for you, check out better5.com and I'll see you in day 1.